videos. Welcome to my channel. This video here, I'm going to show you a couple of things. I'm going to show you that podcast that it plug is. That plug in the news, podcast, web shows, right? And title. That right there is all about audio, right? This plugin here is all about news, right? Let's play and see it.
A quote, public lynching, and says the musician.
See, so that is the news. Go out of that. You can personalize it as well. You can go into categories. See? So there's a lot of things you can do with this plex. I'm telling you, a lot of things here. So we will go down to podcast. Same thing, you can personalize it. You know, you can just go back, we'll just click on one that I have. Automatically popped up. We click on the Ben Shapiro show, click play. And then it'll play.
A Time magazine journalist reveals the true motivation behind AOC.
And that's a podcast. And they got some real good podcasts on here. People's real good. All right. So let me get back into the movie part. I added movie Bumblebee, right? And those what I added was Bumblebee. This is year 2018. And this is where I added it to. So I remember, just click the three dots and click edit. You always name, the movies are still named there. So you, the only thing you have to do is just add your folder. Go to where you got the drive or router or NOS. You have your content on and go there and you get it. It's that simple. I'm going to do it in F drive. I'm going to look for Bumblebee here. Bumblebee is right here. Right there. Click that. And I click add because I already done. I click save changes. And I hit that. And it went to right there. And as you usually see it, it create the cover art, thumbnails, and all that thing. And I click play. And I start from the beginning. Just to show you that it does work. We're going to forward it. There it is there. Good movie, by the way. There. Alright, and you can right click, right? I'll show you what this thing does. Alright, so let's just go back in here, right? Let's just do this right here. Let's skip forward 30 seconds. You know, you can do it, but this got chapters. The user interface doesn't take effect, really take effect till it goes on my TV. And I try to stream with it from here, which is my hub to my TV in the front room. Now you can go to settings here. You can change up the settings. You know, you can change the playback settings. You can go here. You can do your, you can add it to your queue. You can mess with your audio. You can loop it. It's all kind of ways. You can go to more actions, analyze it, download it, add to playlists. It's a lot of things here. So I'm telling you, Plex is a game changer. I added another TV show. This was Boomerang. Same thing. So say if I want to add audio, so what I do, remember, click the plus sign under libraries and select what icon or other videos or whatever pertains to you. So I will click music, and if I want to do music, rap, I would do that, and I would just click next. I would browse further, and I would just go to my C drive in this case, and I would do users, and then I would go to music, then I would go back because it's not on there. So what I would do, I would go to desktop, probably where it said, let's see, C drive. I'm sorry, not my C drive, it's maybe a D drive. I'm sorry, my D drive. Let's see here. We will click on, let's see. It's not on there either. D drive. Yeah, that's where it's at. So say if I want to add old school jams, but that's not in rap. Let's say I want to add TLC. Click on that, add. Now click next. Now click next again. Add library. And look, music rap. There it is. There. And there's TLC. And boom. There it is. There it is. I can also shuffle through that too. I just click next. There's another one. Next. So that's how easy it is to add anything you want to. Like I say, Plex is killing Netflix and my honest business, because you can control your own content. Again, I can't tell you where to get your content from, but do your research, and I'm telling you will be amazed. So with that being said, hit them subscribes to support the channel, click them like buttons, and comment and share. And I'll see you in the next video.